Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with what BTC is going to do. So eventually we talked about it yesterday, that if BTC does not close above the 24.2k this line, then we would see a rejection, and here it is. Okay team, so you can see that BTC found rejection, hold it right there for a few hours at 23.8k, and then it clearly lost it out again. So what is next for BTC right here? Can it maybe recover all the way, or is it going to crumble down more? Personally, I'm not so optimistic about it, and I really think that this could be, as we talked about, a head and shoulders pattern where we lose this support bottom trend line right here and we are going to eventually fall down from there. So what are the next major support levels for BTC? Let's find out. So I'm going to draw the fib from the top, from the bottom to the top, and we are going to see that we are having a little bit of a nice support level under the 23.2k, around there, 23.1, 23.2k. This is a nice major support level that could play out, but unfortunately the most probable scenario for BTC right now, it is to correct even further down. Now, what are the next support levels after 22.2k, 21.6k, in which we hold a very huge support level around there, 21.6 to 21.7k, huge support level right here, and of course we might be going down there. Yes, we can. Okay, so for now, why I am so bearish, why I'm saying such bearish things, right? Because most of the people are bullish, especially with the BlackRock, but as we talked about, what BlackRock wouldn't do is to invest right now on BTC. Why? Because we haven't crossed yet a very huge important line of the 24.3k. Alright, so in the weekly frame we needed to close above the 24.3k to 24.2k that we talked about, but we didn't do it. Instead, now we are finding a very huge consolidation coming in after actually not being able to get past above it. And this is why I'm thinking that the correction is mostly to come right now, and BTC is going to find rejection right here. So perhaps this area of resistance level was very huge. It will drag down many of the altcoins, all the altcoins actually, excluding actually some altcoins that might be extremely bullish against Bitcoin chart. However, right now the case is that we are going to go further down, most probably scenario to lose all the support levels right here, going all the way down into the below 23k, and going further down in the daily frame as well. Now, do we have anything bullish that we maybe can rely on and maybe it can play out? We have this institutional gap in the monthly frame. However, the case right now is that we are not finding a good buying pressure to get a buying pressure all the way above the 24.2k. For sure we have 21 days more, or 22 to 21 days more before we close the monthly, but unfortunately I'm not seeing any bullish signs in the weekly frame. That being said, I'm not so sure whether BTC is going to have a nice buying pressure. 23k seems very realistic as a support level right now, and I'm thinking that we might be going even further down. At this moment, BTC is very bearish to my eyes, and right now you should be extremely careful. I'm seeing also a possible bearish RSI divergence, multiple bearish RSI, but at the end of the day we could be having something like an ascending triangle, although I will stay more that we are not bullish for the short term, so I'm being a little bit more cautious about the price target of BTC. I'm not saying that we are all the way bearish, I'm not saying that we are going to drop down to 17.7k, but having a correction down to the 23k, down to the 22.6k is very likely for now. And this is what I believe BTC is going to do. After seeing the price analysis, after seeing that BTC got rejected multiple times from a line that I personally think it is a very huge line. This is why you can see right here in the 4-hour frame, minus 2% already for BTC, and it keeps dropping down and down. Nothing can stop BTC from falling apart right here. Many short positions are opening and actually long positions are getting less and less. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.